Hello, I hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I will be talking about how you can start your Monday with enthusiasm. So let's dive right into it. Let's face it, there are very few people in this world that jump out of bed on a Monday morning happy and ready to start the stressful work or school week. So in today's video, I want to talk about some tips and tricks on how to make your Mondays more enjoyable and more happy, and how to make you more enthusiastic about your upcoming work week or school week. So the first thing that we can do is to adjust our perspective on Mondays. Sometimes when we wake up on a Monday morning, we feel like the weight of the world is laying on our shoulders, and we are thinking about all the tasks and assignments and stress coming up in the week. But Mondays are also a fresh start, and we get to work on ourselves, we get to better ourselves, we get to encounter new opportunities, solve new problems, and it is simply a new beginning. The next thing that we can do is to create a Monday morning routine, something that will make you excited about the morning and about getting up. Maybe you can meet up with your friend for breakfast, and you can do like a spinning class or a gym session before you go to work. You can have your alarm clock play your favorite song and get up and dance to it. Just anything that will get you excited. Maybe make an amazing breakfast that you really love. You need to find that one thing that will make your Monday mornings more enjoyable, and that will have you feel energized and ready for the coming week. Last thing that I want to mention is that you need to give yourself something to look forward to throughout the week. Maybe you will plan a dinner with your friend on Tuesday, or a trip with your family on Thursday. Just some fun activities that you can do throughout the week that you will be looking forward to. And if you have something like that, then Mondays will not seem so gloomy and so bad after all. One thing that always helps me when I feel very unmotivated to do anything is gratitude. Practicing gratitude is an amazing way for you to put things into perspective, because I realize that I get to go to work, I get to go to the gym, and I get to be healthy. Because unfortunately, a lot of people in our world are sick, and they cannot do the everyday life things that we do, that we complain about. So practicing gratitude is definitely one of those things that you can do for yourself that will help you to put things into perspective and to help you be more excited about life in general. So you should definitely try that. I hope that you guys liked today's video, and that you will find these tips and tricks about how to make your Mondays more enjoyable very, very helpful. I think I definitely will, because I always need something good on a Monday morning, you know what I mean? So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on today's video, and you guys have a wonderful day.